So very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm your host, Sana, and on behalf of Worldwide Achievers, I have the pleasure of welcoming all you wonderful people to this magnificent gathering. Today is a great day for Worldwide Achievers because it's celebrating its 8th World Business Leaders Summit and Awards 2018. So I think before we begin, let's have a huge round of applause. It's time for me to invite our panelists on stage. Dr. G.M. Gupta, MG Global Engineers Limited. Dr. Dinesh Kumar, Deputy General Manager, Rice and Marks. Mr. Sanoj Alexander, VP and Head Design, Kale Infra Private Limited. Mr. Mir Wasim, Director Sales and Administration, Rice and Marks. Welcome our moderator, Mr. S.A. Anand.
Today is the kind of topic which will take, if it is covered nicely and it is given more attention to, it's going to take our country to the next level. And it is also going to feed a lot of benefits to the people of the country. Right, sir? Now, what would you like to say about the people perception? Because they think, kuch nahi hua hai, nothing has happened, some people say, while a lot of things has happened.
What Mr. Modi has brought, few changes which are very significant. One is, for the first time in the country, there is a honest man sitting over there.
Yeah.
He is very sharp. So far, whatever decisions he is taking are really proving to be right, except one mishap in his career, that is the demonetization.
I can say that earlier there was a lot of paperwork.
Okay.
Now we can take into intellectual property offices. Almost all things are being gone online. It's unprecedented growth, in transition of this into something like, we are anticipating something like a knowledge economy.
So do you think just innovation is going to help or something else has to be done?
All the foreign investments which is coming into the country,
right.
And making things easier, probably I'm sure that everybody is aware that the kind of loans, the Mudra loans have been given to people, and these things are all helping a lot.
What about when people say that he has traveled more than 50 countries and more than 350 crores or something like he has spent?
We are now looking at the demand side, which means we are trying to improve the affordability of the country.
Okay.
There is no big business that can survive if we can keep manufacturing and producing goods, but you need to have a buyer as well.
Correct.
So I think this transient shift of India being a very self-reliant buyer market,
right,
is one major focus that we need to actually aspire to improve in the coming years. And I think that's been a phenomenal success. So I would say it is very important to actually connect with your global peers.
With Mr. Modi's marketing efforts, because the traveling all over the world was not just to make friends. There has to be buyers.
Correct.
For sure, there will be buyers. I am very confident.
How will you be able to tackle these kind of people who are spreading this kind of things like?
Every change is always resisted.
Okay.
All right. And the change which the present government, under Modi ji, what is happening now, is tremendous.
Could you please elaborate? It's a change or it's a growth?
There's a big theory in business called the ocean, the blue ocean and the red ocean. Over the years, we've been struggling in the red ocean. So we know something's happening, there's business there, then we try to grow our business, we try to corner our market share. But then I think this for the first time, so to answer your question, the shift to growth is when you actually create a blue ocean for yourself.
Correct. What one step should be taken so that we can create more powerful, intelligent, and at the same time, integral, billionaires?
The government has also initiated an IP policy exclusively for the startup companies, business, whatever it is. When the grassroots innovators, they can protect their intellectual property.
To create more and more billionaires in India, two steps are needed. To maintain the steady growth of our economy, and two, the parallel economy or the parallel economy black money business has to be eliminated. Then you will automatically see that many billionaires have emerged.
What creates human influence?
As I said, that if you conspire together to make something successful, then it is sure to be
It
successful.
will procure the goodwill of the consumers, the
Right.
customers. So once if it is there, automatically you have been established the brand. So
Okay.
once if you are a brand, that's it. Everything is set.
Leaders, they inspire people.
Okay.
They inspire by their talk, by their actions, which is happening at the moment.
It was a great discussion. You people participated from your heart, so they need to get the real applause from you people. So thank you so much.
We have our guest of honors here, but before that, there's a very, very special person. Unfortunately, he couldn't join us today, but yes, we have a very special message from him. He is none other than Shri Suresh Prabhakar Prabhu, Honorable Minister of Commerce and Industry, Civil Aviation, Government of India.
There are world achievers like you who are going to get the awards. I am very sure if you focus on India as a market, but also look at the global vision while you do that, all of us will benefit from it, but you will also find more world achievers to take place. As a Ministry of Commerce and Industry, we are promoting integration of India in a big way, and therefore I am very happy that all of you are celebrating the great achievers. Unfortunately, I am traveling, so not able to join you, but congratulations to all of you and all the best.
A warm welcome to all our delegates. Delhi. Delegates, thank you very much for joining us here. And now, of course, in India, we always start a very beautiful event, a beautiful occasion by remembering God and by lighting a lamp, and that's exactly what we're going to do today, ladies and gentlemen. So, for the lighting of the lamp, I request Shri Babul Supriyo, Shri Manoj Tiwari, Shri Deepak Vasant Kesarkar, Shri Vishambar Prasad Mishra, and Mr. Ravi Kishan. And yes, with that, I'm going to invite our first guest of honor on stage, ladies and gentlemen, the Minister of State for Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises in the Union Council of Ministers in India. Please put your hands together and welcome on stage Shri Babul Supriyo.
Today we are all here to celebrate or probably encourage and award or recognize the people who worldwide achievers, organizers of the program, think have done well in their respective fields. Mind is everything. You become what you think you can become. Your product can also become what you think it can become. And trust me, to make a product, you really do not need to go to the consumers or ask them what the product is, what kind of a product they need. We are going to give new things to them. We are going to innovate, and we have the onus on us to give new products to the consumers, which they are going to love, and then they are going to take the technology forward by making it popular. That's all I have to say. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shri Manoj Tiwari, Member of Parliament, North East Delhi and BJP President, Delhi.
बिजनेस सिर्फ शहरों तक सीमित नहीं होना चाहिए. जितने यंग बिजनेस लीडर्स हैं, बिजनेस के तरीके आते हैं, मैं चाहता हूं कि कुछ लोग जाकर के गांव में किसानों का अनाज खरीदें. उसमें बहुत बड़ा बिजनेस है. हमने मुद्रा लोन से अपने कुछ भतीजों को ऐसा बिजनेस कराया है जो नौकरी मांगते थे कि चाचा तू तो सांसद हो गईला तो हमनी की नौकरी कैसे मिली. हमने कहा सांसद बनला से नौकरी मिले वाला टाइम चल गई. नरेंद्र मोदी हैं, कहते हैं काम करो फिर आपको पैसा मिलेगा, फिर आपको वेतन मिलेगा. तो ये मेरी 2 सबमिशन है हमारी तरफ से, और इसको देखते हुए आप इस कार्यक्रम में जो सजेशंस आएंगे हम उसको सुनेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कॉलिंग मी हियर. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, also I would request Shri Deepak Vasant Kesarkar, Honorable Minister of State for Finance, Rural Development.
You are the leaders of various industries. You are the leaders of various trades. Some of you are leaders of hotel industry, and few of you are actors, directors, and so many other dignitaries. We should always look at it with the opportunity to give business, to create business, and make somebody happy. And that happiness will, and the blessings you will get through this will take you to the another heights. So I congratulate all of you for reaching that height, and I am sure many of you will do the dream of this nation to support the downtrodden people. With these words, I thank the organizers for calling me here and giving me the opportunity to be among all of you who are the leaders of the industry. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Let's have a huge round of applause for all our champions present here. And with that, it's time for a break. We'll be right back.
एक बहुत ही एलिगेंट सा एक हमको माहौल मिला एंड फेल्ट वेरी गुड दैट गुड आई मेड इट कि मैं भी आज अपनी शूटिंग कैंसिल करके आज मैं इस अवार्ड का हिस्सा बना और मुझे भी अवार्ड मिला फॉर फिल्म इंडस्ट्री कंट्रीब्यूशन जो हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं यहाँ.
Yeah, it's actually very much encouraging for the growing business entities so that fostering the economy of the country.
We have been awarded as most promising manufacturer of cables, conductors and EPC division in India, and I dedicate this award to my father and to Team Lumino, because of whom we have been able to win this prestigious award.
We really appreciate this effort because I think fitness in India and primarily functional fitness, what we promote, needs to penetrate really deep. People need to understand the need for fitness. They also need to understand that fitness is just not about aesthetics. It's more about wellness overall. So we are a holistic fitness center.
We just create a pipeline of sales to the SMEs, like the startups companies. So it will help. Obviously, it will help us to get our customers, new customers, and we are working on the same platform. And she is my partner. She is a strategy manager as well of our company, and she did a great job.
So it's a great privilege to get this award as we complete 10 years of our existence, and feels good for getting an award, and I'd like to thank Worldwide Achievers.
By this award, it will bring our company into limelight in all over the world also, because we are working with more than 600 farmers to cultivate the organic herbs and botanicals, and this will be again a good exposure for us also and all the farmers to get into limelight so that their product can easily come in the market and get good price.
So we won in the best commercial real estate and the upcoming in South India and the upcoming luxury residential projects developer in South India. Thank you. Yeah, so we feel it's a neutral platform. It's pretty encouraging and a platform to actually grow most of the young industries.
जयपुर के वाटिका गांव के रहने वाले कन्हैया लाल कुछ साल पहले तक अपने गांव में बैंकिंग की सुविधा न होने से कई तरह की परेशानियां झेल रहे थे. कैशलेस ट्रांजैक्शंस को बढ़ावा देने के लिए केंद्र सरकार ने जब पेमेंट बैंक की शुरुआत की तो कन्हैया लाल के गांव की सूरत बदल गई.
हमारे पोस्ट ऑफिस को पेमेंट बैंक में कन्वर्ट करने की दिशा में काम उठाया है. ये पेमेंट बैंक बनने से एक साथ देश के गांव तक बैंकों का जाल बिठेगा.
कन्हैया लाल ने पेमेंट बैंकिंग को ही अपनी रोजी रोटी का जरिया बना लिया.
खुल्लों से लेके केस में लेन देन में लेके सारा सब कुछ प्रॉब्लम होती थी, जैसा कि अब देख पा रहे हैं कि हाँ, जहाँ खुले नहीं होते तो नेट बैंकिंग कर सकते हैं. ये सब सारे हमें फायदे मिलने में बहुत अच्छे से मिल रहे हैं.
पेमेंट बैंक की पहल से दूर दराज के गाँव और कस्बों तक बैंकिंग सेवाओं का लाभ पहुँच रहा है.
GoDaddy के सिक्योरिटी, स्पीड और 24/7 कस्टमर केयर के साथ वेबसाइट होस्ट करने में हिचकिचाना कैसा? GoDaddy को आज ही फोन लगाएं.
जयपुर में होटल, लोकेशन थोड़ा सेंट्रल होना चाहिए. थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया. हाँ, समथिंग लाइक दिस पर 2 लोगों के लिए.
Really? अलग अलग?
सॉरी.
बोरिंग.
ओके.
हाँ, ये वाला.
नो.
परफेक्ट. पर पूल है क्या?
हाँ, है ना. Trivago कंपेयर करता है 100 से भी ज्यादा वेबसाइट और ढूंढता है आपके लिए वो परफेक्ट होटल बेस्ट प्राइस में. होटल Trivago.
अब सब हक से लगाएंगे इंडिया का पहला 5 स्टार LED बल्ब. तो ऑर्डिनरी LED हटाओ, ओरिएंट 5 स्टार LED बल्ब लगाओ.
हिंदुस्तान के कई सारे शहरों के अद्भुत स्वाद तक के मैं यहाँ पहुँचा हूँ. बहुत ही मजेदार जगह. आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि मैं दिल्ली 6 में हूँ और यहाँ का जायका जो है ना, तंग गलियों में बसा हुआ है. आप है शेफ अरफाल के संग देख रहे हैं टाटा सॉल्ट एंड टाटा संपन्न प्रेजेंट टेस्ट द स्वाद सीजन 3
presented by Tata Salt and Tata Sampann, powered by Govardhan Ghee. राइस पार्टनर पंसारी बासमती राइस, किचन पार्टनर फेबर, कारवा पार्टनर फोर्स मोटर्स।
We all good to go? बुलाएं हमारे चैंपियंस को स्टेज पर? Yes or no? All right. Mr. Ravi Kishan on stage, the producer and the writer of Sanki Daroga, for the outstanding contribution to the Indian film industry.
I never knew कि people always underestimate कि actors या कलाकार sensitive नहीं होते। कलाकार का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि एक मजाक, कलाकार का मतलब नचनिया नहीं होता। I produced this film because I have a daughter at home. I have written this film because my wife is a woman. All these laws which have really come कि अगर आप 12 साल की लड़की को छूते हैं तो आपको तुरंत फांसी की सजा होगी। अब समय नहीं लगेगा कि तारीख पे तारीख वो दिन अब लद गए।
I would now like to invite our champion on stage, Mrs. Bala Janaki Srinivasan, the Global Achiever Award of the Year winner, Mr. Mir Wasim, on behalf of Mrs. Srinivasan. Our next champion is from Sun Flag Iron and Steel Company Limited, Mr. Pranav Bhardwaj, Most Trusted Steel Manufacturer of the Year. Our next champion tonight is from Rice and Marks, Mr. Mir Wasim, once again on stage for the Most Trusted Intellectual Property Law Firm in India. Our next superstar coming up on stage is from Lumino Industries Limited, and he is none other than Mr. Devendra Goyal, for Most Promising Manufacturer of Conductors, Cables and EPC Division in India. Next is from Multifit Wellness Private Limited, and the champion is Dr. Sameer Kapoor for Fastest Growing Fitness and Wellness Company of the Year. And next up we have Rightway Airlinks Private Limited, Dev Priya Tyagi, Best Education Consultant and Training Center in Northern India. The next champion we have with us is from the Surat District Cooperative Bank Limited, and he is Mr. Jayesh Desai for the Most Promising Cooperative Bank of the Year, Gujarat. Congratulations. Our next champion tonight is from Global Engineers Limited, Dr. G.M. Gupta, Best Plants and Equipment Solution Provider of the Year. Next we have from Sachin Industries Limited, Mr. Sachin Patel for the Most Promising Manufacturer of Glass-Lined Rectors and Filter Presses of the Year. Our next champion is from the Best Web Designing Company in North India, Mr. Abhijit from Ogen Infosystem Private Limited. We have for the best co-ed boarding school in academic reputation, and the award goes to Teleki International School, Mr. Rashid Sabruddin. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, we have the award for the Most Promising Manufacturer of Ductile and Grey Iron of the Year, and the award goes to none other than Global Casting Private Limited, Mr. Saurav Shah. Our next award is for the Best Emerging Company of Renewable Energy in Delhi, NCR, and the award goes to Core Energy India Private Limited, Mr. Sushil Sarawagi. Our next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for the Eminent Personality of the Year, and the award goes to Mr. Aziz Abdullah. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, next we have the Most Innovative Business Concept Company of the Year, and the award goes to Kenza, Mr. Shihab Shah. we have the most trusted HR recruitment and consultancy company in India, and the award goes to Global Prospects, Mr. Javed Ahmed. Our next award is for the most trusted manufacturer of hybrid seeds of the year, Gujarat, and the award goes to Bombay Super Hybrid Seeds Limited, Mr. Amang Bakshi. Next up we have the best sports and fitness service provider, and the award goes to Mr. Sohail Shah from Bullseye Sports. The next award, ladies and gentlemen, is for the fastest growing company organic industry of the year, and the award goes to none other than Cultivator Natural Products Private Limited. Our next category is the most promising yoga institute in Mumbai, and the award goes to Namaste Yoga Classes, Mrs. Amisha A. Shah. हमारा अगला अवार्ड है for the most promising developer luxury residential in Bangalore, and the award goes to Kali Infra Private Limited, Mr. Karthik Murthy. Moving on, we now have the award for the most promising, fastest growing construction company of the year, and the award goes to Manjeera Constructions Limited. Our next award is for the best builder residential project in Karnataka, and the award goes to Sri Ram Properties Private Limited, Mr. Arjun Das MP. Moving on, the next category is for the most trusted developer residential of the year, Maharashtra, and the award goes to Vastin Engineers Limited, Mr. Vastin Goodlight. Moving on to the next category, we have most admired modular office furniture manufacturer in North India, and the award goes to Ferris Furniture, Mr. Ajay Mishra. Our next award is for the India's best life coach and NLP coach, and that goes to Mr. S.A. Anand. And with that, we move on to the next award, which is for the best innovative drink of the year. That goes to K. Patel Phyto Extractions Private Limited, Mr. Hitesh Patel. Congratulations. Our next award is for the best Polytechnic College in India, and that goes to BITT Group of Institutions, Mr. Ranjit Kumar. And next up, we have the most admired manufacturer of women apparel in Gujarat, and the award goes to Mr. Ajay Ajmera from Ajmera Fashion. Next, we have the best emerging real estate sales and marketing company in West Bengal, and the award goes to RBA Realtors, Mr. Rakesh Gupta. So once again, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you for the hard work and the dedication that you have put into the smallest acts, and I would like to wish you all the very best for your future.